So I have talked about the function of JavaScript, and today I will tell you about the exercise of JavaScript function so that we can more explore about functions. Okay, so I already told you functions and this control flow, if else statement, or maybe loops. These are basically common topics which are related to every programming language, but I am explaining you, I am introducing you these things on the basis of what? JavaScript. Because JavaScript we will use to make many projects along with Django framework. Okay, Django basically work on Python language. So after learning JavaScript, we will learn Python language. Python is very important language and very famous among peoples nowadays. Okay, because with the help of Python, people are automating things, people are using AI, people are actually teaching these language in schools and colleges also, because this is the actually easy language, Python. So let's talk about the function. Let's get some practice with functions. Open up means part 2 functions exercise.js mein there are some text related to the exercise of the function. So we'll practice for that. We'll learn and we'll read that particular question. On the basis of that, I will write some code. Okay. So am I audible to everyone properly? Can anyone confirm? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, audible.
Okay. So let's take a quick look at the problems actually. And I'm opening the same problem in the JavaScript level 2, that is function. Okay, this is the exercise actually. We are not going toward the solution. So here actually we have a solution. We have some exercise on some problems actually. So first problem is sleeping in, and second problem is monkey trouble, and third problem is string times. Fourth problem is lucky sum, and then fifth problem, and there is another one bonus problem. Okay, so today I will talk about that only, and on the basis of that you will learn something. Okay, related to function. So let me do one thing. Let me open my browser in parallel to text editor. So first we'll read about the file. So functions are an extremely important part of understanding how to program, and they also allow for an ideal way of testing out your general JavaScript knowledge. So these are extremely important. These problem statements are sourced from codingbed.com actually. So this this is a actually famous website where many coders are solving problems. So from that websites, I have taken the problem, and the problem will gradually get harder and harder, because first we are doing easy problem, then medium, then medium, then medium, then harder. Okay, so this way these problems are also pasted here. So let me talk about the problem number 1. So it's what it is talking, write a function called sleep in that takes in two boolean parameters, weekday and vacation. Okay, weekday and vacation, that is already available, and this is the function. So the parameter weekday is true if it is a weekday. Okay, if it is a weekday means if it is a Sunday to Saturday, and the parameter vacation is true if we are on vacation. So when we will be on vacation, we will be on vacation on weekend, Saturday, Sunday. So we sleep in if it is not a weekday, so or we are on vacation. So when we sleep, Actually, we will sleep only when it is not a weekday. Weekday means here actually Monday to Friday. Okay, so when it is not weekday means not Monday to Friday, or we are on vacation, then we will sleep. Okay, return true if we sleep in, or nahi to फिर false. Okay, so sleep in false. You can see if it is weekdays false and sleep in false, then true. Okay, if a weekday is true and that what next is vacation. If vacation is false, it means there is not any vacation, then false. You can't sleep. Okay, and when there is a weekday, not a weekday, means basically a Saturday Sunday, and but there is a vacation, maybe festival vacation. Okay, so these things are happening on festival time. So this is also true, and we will go for sleep. Okay. So let me write the problem answer so that we can understand how to write. So basically, I am writing the answer of that function here only in this file, function exercise.js. Okay. So basically, we want to return what here? So we want to return a true or false, but that will be come on the basis of weekday. So weekday and vacation. So I will write weekday, then I will use or operator. Okay, and I will be do or with respect to vacation. So this will return actually what? This condition. If it is weekday is false, means if it is weekday and if one thing is false, means we are false. Okay, but here is one condition actually. Okay, let's say we have a weekday, means we have a Tuesday. Okay, so on Tuesday, and but Tuesday is true, but not equal to Tuesday means false. Okay, and we have a vacation, it's also false. So this will return true. Okay, if let's say it is Sunday and not equal to Sunday, Sunday is a true and not equal to Sunday means false. So false, and then there is a vacation, true, then it's also true. When this is true, means not a weekday, Saturday, Sunday, and this is not equal to, so it will be true, and the vacation is false, then it will return false. So on the basis of that condition, this function will return the result. So second problem is we have a two monkeys, monkey A and monkey B, and the parameter A smile and B smile indicate if each is smiling. We are in trouble if they are both smiling or if neither of them is smiling. Okay. Okay. So return true if we are in trouble. Actually, so whenever you see two monkey, if one monkey is smiling, another one is not smiling, it's okay. Okay. But whenever two monkeys are smiling in front of you, you will actually uh, will be in trouble by seeing that. If both are not smiling, then also we are in trouble. So we will also check this condition also here. So this monkey trouble function will check this. Okay, so let's say I am passing A smile and B smile. Okay, so I will return here A smile and operator B smile. Okay, and I will do OR operator of both, and here I will check not equal to A smile and not equal to B smile. So monkey travel means A smile. Let's say we are passing both the value true. A smile is true, B smile is true. That is first case. Okay. So this test case actually I am passing. So if it is true, A smile is true, and this is true, and true means true. So this part is true. But if it is true, means whole become false, and it is also become false, and false also false. Then false and true will return true, because in the OR case, if one is true, then whole is true. Okay, so this is returning the result on the basis of that, and you can pass the both the test cases also. These two test cases, they will also apply on this function, and they will also give the true or false result. So here I am writing every function, they are returning boolean value, and they are taking parameter as a boolean. Okay, so next function is actually a string and a non-negative integer n. We have a string, one is a string we have, and a non-negative integer n we have. Okay, return a larger string that is in n copies of the original string. So actually we will return a larger string that is the copies of smaller one. Means a smaller strings repeated many times in the larger one. So these all function will be done by this function string times. So I will do the same for this function. Okay, and I will write the code for this. So basically, we are passing here two things, string and n. We are not passing any boolean value. So these are not a boolean function. Okay. Before that, two are that are resulting boolean values. So that's why we have used only return statement. So if it is returns give true, means function will return true. If it is written false, means function will return false. So let's say we have a string means result.
जे माझी बेटी
Okay,
काय नडलेत रे
so inside the result string I am taking empty string. Okay, and here also I am taking one variable I that is equal to 0. Now while I less than n, so I will return string. I will add the str into the result of the string. Then I will do plus plus I plus plus. So basically, I have taken a resultant string that result string that will give the actually the result string, that is the repetition of a smaller one, and I am taking one pointer as a I, okay, that is starting from 0 and it will go till n. So let's say I equal to 0, the result equal to result plus str. So we will add one time our smaller one, then I will increment, then after incrementing I we have to, the result is equal to result plus str, then the smaller string repeated will repeat two times, then three times, then four times on the basis of n. Then we will got the result. Okay, but right now we will not get any result here because we have not written anything. Okay, so whenever you write any function, that function should be written something. Only on the basis of that got we can get any result. So it will return str. No, it will return resultant string actually. So this is the whole program that is explaining the string problems. Okay. So next problem is lucky sum. Okay. So I will talk about this lucky sum and I will introduce you how to we solve this lucky sum problem. So given three numerical values a, b, c, and they are returning their sum. If one of the value is 13, then it does not count toward the sum and values to its right do not count. So for example, if b is 13, then both b and c do not count. Okay. Explore using multiple return statements inside a single function. Let's say we can take example like that. We have two a, b, c, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And 1 plus 2 is what? 3, 3 plus 3, 6. So 6 is less than 13. So we will got 6 result here because a plus b plus c is 13. But here you can see 1 is available here 13. So we will not add this c here. We'll add the value that is smaller than 13. That is 1 or 2, 3 we got. Here, here we have c, actually we have c that is 13, so we will add a plus b, but here b is 13, so we will add a only, so that why we will get result. Let's say if a is 13, then we got the result 0. So this worked like that. So let me write some code for you so you can understand. So here I will use the if condition, and first I will check the is a, if a is equal to 13. Okay, I will check this. If a is equal to 13, I directly return the 0 because if a is 13, then it will not add anything b and c. It will give the result. So this is the edge case actually. So first, actually, when we are solving any coding problem, first we will write a particular edge case, then we will go for logic. So here I have given the edge case. If it is not here, then I will write if, else if, and if b is equal to 13. Let's say if b is equal to 13, then I will return what? Only a, because in this case I will not go for c. Else if let's say c equal to, no, not here, here, c equal to 13. Okay, so it will return what? It will return a plus b, because c is 13, so then it will return a plus b. That is the only case. Okay, and if there is not any case from that, I will return directly a plus b plus c. Okay, a plus b plus c. So this is the program actually. It will give the result according to this problem. So next we have this problem 5. So we are driving a little too fast. Okay, and a police officer stops you. Basically, during road driving, you are be in speed with your vehicle, and police inspector stops you. Write code to compute the result. Actually, encoded as an int value: 0 no tickets, 1 small ticket, 2 big ticket. If speed is 60 or less, the result is 0. Means no challan. If speed is between 61 and 80 inclusive, means 80 is also included, result is 1. So you will be fined by challan 1. If speed is 81 or more, the result is 2. So that will be the big challan actually. Unless it is your birthday, unless it is your birthday, know that day your speed can be 5 higher in all cases. Means if it is birthday, your birthday, you can run your vehicle 5 higher speed with 5. Okay, with 5 means you, if it is 60 allow, then you can run your vehicle with 65. Okay, here are some example inputs and outputs. Okay, caught speeding एक वो होता है, क्राइम क्राइम नहीं हो सकता, एक पनिशमेंट है रोड पे ड्राइविंग करने की, ठीक है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग इसका सॉल्यूशन हम लिखते हैं. So here we have one else condition. Else condition is that if it is your birthday is birthday. Okay, so we are passing to variable speed and is birthday. If it is your birthday, then what? Your speed will be the addition of 5. Okay, let's say if speed is less than equal to 60, then there will be no fine. Okay, so we'll return 0. If speed is greater than 60 and less than equal to, because 80 is also inclusive, so less than 80, so you will be fined by return 1, means challan 1. Okay, so here else I will return true. If it is not this case, I will return true. And this is also else if condition. Okay, this is also else if condition. Oh, we got this result on the basis of that. Okay, so you will return true. Okay, so this is the solution of this problem. So we have one bonus problem also, and I will be solve this. We want to make a row of bricks that is goal inches long. If we have a number of small bricks 1 inch each and big bricks 5 inch each, return true if it is possible to make the goal by choosing from the given bricks. This is a little harder than it looks and can be done without any loops in a single line. So if you can't figure this one out, don't worry. That's why. So you can screenshot this problem and you can solve this problem in your home. Okay. You can screenshot your problem and you can solve this problem in your home. And after solving, you can send me the result. So let me tell you here. Actually, we will write one return statement here and we'll check the condition in return. So actually, if goal is modulo 5 greater than equal to 0, then end operator goal modulo 5 minus small greater than equal to 0 less than equal to 0 and end operator small plus 5 into big greater than equal to goal. So this is the solution actually. Okay. So here you can see we want to make a row of bricks that is good in goal inches long. We have a number of small bricks, 1 inch each and big is so small is 1 inch and big is 5 inch. Okay. If you can't figure this one out, don't worry. That's why it's bonus. Actually, make bricks 318. Okay, so small is 3 bricks, means 3 inches, and big is 3 means 3 and 1 is what? 3 and 5, 8 and 8 goal. So this is 8 inch and 8 is goal, so it will be the result true. Okay. So like this, you can compare the result and you can get the solution of this problem. And this is the bonus and this is the homework for you also. Okay, so we have completed the function of JavaScript and after that we have two major topics. One is that is JavaScript arrays and JavaScript object. After that I will go for Django and Python. Okay.